Guys, today I'm going to show you how to change out your dome or your map light. I'm going to put this LED one is brighter, it's more clear than this these regular type. Okay, you just gotta pop this out. Use one of those plastic pries. I already pry it out. Just pry it in the back here, the back or the front, to get it off, get the cover off. Okay, so once you get off one of these, I'm gonna be in here. I'm gonna show you the difference between this this bulb and the LED one. Okay, as you can see, that's the difference there. This one is like a little yellowish light in the night. Okay, so once you take this off, to get this off, you just gotta take it out from this two notches here. It's in here. You just press it back and take it out. Get your LED one. This is the LED one. I'm gonna put in the description box where I bought this from Amazon. It's very cheap. So I'm gonna put this in here gently. Put this in here. Okay. Sometimes this might be too wide. You just pull this little in gently so you can fit the LED bulb, LED light chip. Okay, so this fits in there. Like that. LED chip. So let's see the difference. Okay, gotta come back a little more on this side. Okay, let's see the difference now. Okay, that's way brighter and more clean and clear. It's daytime, but you can tell the difference. Okay. Alright, so you just put your cover back and that's it. Very simple to do. You can change all the lights to LED in your car. This pops back in. That's it. If you like the video, click like, thumbs up, share the videos so others can see and know how to do it. Subscribe to see more videos. Leave a comment in the comment box below, and thanks for watching.